Hello everyone. Let us do today question number 6, 7th and 8th of exercise 8.3. Question number 6 is Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She loses 20% in bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? So we will be using this formula where SP and CP both are included and one thing out of the profit percent and loss percent is there. So in this case there is a loss percent, so we'll be using 100 minus loss percent with CP. We did these two formulas earlier, so we'll be using these two only according to profit percent and loss percent. So here it is SP is 13,500. I put that into 100 from the formula. CP is not given, so 100 minus loss percent is 20, 100 minus 20. It is 13,500 into 100 is equals to CP into 80. Taking 80 to the other side, multiplied here, dividing on the other side, we'll cross cancel them, whatever is cancelling or cutting, and then dividing. So CP is rupees 16,875. Similar is the question number 8. See here, it is Amina buys a book for rupees 275, sells it at a loss of 15%. So it is a similar one only. Cost price is given, loss percent is given, and selling price is not given here. So keeping selling price as it is, cost price into 100 minus loss percent. Loss percent is 15, so 100 minus 15, 275 as it is, and taking 100 to the other side, this 100. It will be dividing. 100 minus 15 is 85. Multiply these twos and divide and write down your own answer. 6th and 8th were similar, so I discussed it earlier. 7th is a little different. Coming to question number 7, it is chalk contains a part of calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio. So it means 10 is for calcium, 3 is for carbon and 12 is for oxygen. To find percentage, we need to do the sum of all these. So sum of all these is 25. So percentage of carbon will be part of carbon upon sum into 100. Part of carbon, second one, so 3.25 into 100, 25 fours are 100, 3 fours are 12. So 12%. And now, weight of carbons is given, weight of carbon in the stick is given 3 gram, but part of carbon is 3, as we see from here. Part of carbon is 3 carbon. So we will be equating the weight and the part to find the value of G. So value of G is 3, will be going through the other side and divided. 3 cancels, G is 1. If G is 1, we'll multiply G with part of calcium and multiply G with part of oxygen to get their weight. Here it is 1, it can be any other number also. So weight of calcium will be G into part of calcium. So G into part of calcium, calcium's part is 10. So 1 into 10 is 10 gram, and similarly weight of oxygen is 12 into 1, 12 gram. So total weight is 10 gram plus 3 gram plus 12 gram, that is 25 gram. If the value of G is something else, then these values will be changed. So G was 1 here, that's why they remain 10 to 10 gram and 12 to 12 gram. Adding all the weights, you will be getting weight of stick. That's all for today. Thank you.